How to make your first millions. Making your first millions is a dream that many people have, but it is not impossible if it is systematically planned and worked hard to achieve. Financial success requires a combination of ambition, commitment, and creativity. Here are basic strategies to help you achieve this goal. 1. Clearly define your vision and goals. Before you start, ask yourself, what field do you want to work in? What makes you special from others? Setting clear and specific goals helps you direct your efforts and achieve the focus necessary for success. 2. Learn and acquire the required skills. Education and knowledge are the foundation of financial success. Invest your time in reading books, attending training courses, and acquiring the technical and managerial skills you need to start your project or invest. 3. Start an innovative business. Find unmet market needs and provide an innovative solution to them. Create a product or service that provides real value to customers. Use modern technologies and social media to market your idea effectively. 4. Think like an investor. Don't put all your money in one place. Invest in assets that increase in value over time, such as real estate, stocks, or even small projects with a rewarding return. 5. Control your expenses and organize your financial resources. Set a monthly budget that ensures reducing unnecessary expenses. Invest a portion of your income regularly to ensure capital accumulation over time. 6. Harness the power of networks and relationships. Building strong relationships with entrepreneurs and investors can open new doors to opportunities. Seek advice from experienced people and benefit from their experiences. 7. Persevere and overcome challenges. The road to achieving your first millions is full of challenges, but persistence and learning from failure are the keys to success. Stay flexible and continue to improve your plan. Conclusion. Making your first millions is not just a dream, but the result of continuous planning and work. Whether you are starting a small project or investing in the market, the most important thing is to commit to a clear vision and work hard to achieve it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the content and benefited from it, do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel to support us and follow more upcoming videos. And share your opinions or inquiries in the comments, we always love hearing from you. See you in the next video, and until then, good luck.